Silver and gold are down for the week. Is that a good thing? We're going to talk about that on this morning's Gold and Silver Update. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday, happy silver, happy gold, happy metals, everyone. If you're a new subscriber, new viewer, you just clicked on this video, welcome to the family, welcome to the team and the channel, everybody. I love doing these videos. We love gold and silver updates. We love talking about what we think gold and silver is going to do on this channel. We have a lot of fantastic advice that can be given from some of our viewers that have been doing it a long time, although we're not financial advisors. Everyone, this is the channel. This is a family channel of viewers of gold and silver stackers, and we love you. From my room to your room, everybody. We appreciate you all over the world and all over the United States. This is not your same YouTube gold and silver update channel, everybody. We're unedited. If I make a mistake, make a mistake. I'm goofy, I'm ADHD, and I drink lots of coffee. Happy coffee. Well, a little coffee. Anyway, gold and silver are down really for the week, but we're going to show you the chart this year of what silver has done in 1 year, everybody, roughly 1 year now. It is amazing. It is probably one of the best investments that you can put your money into, although I'm not a financial advisor. Real estate, gold, silver, precious metals, everybody. There's a lot of great investments out there. I think real estate is one of the biggest ones. Gold and silver are one of the biggest ones, and you get to hold that beautiful metal, right? And if you have real estate, you get to go drive around on it, or live in it, however you want to look at it. But hey, things are down a little bit this morning. Silver did recover some yesterday. I think silver yesterday hit early in the morning around a little over 70 an ounce, and then started to recover throughout the day. Went over $74 an ounce. And it's down just a little bit this morning, but things are happening right now with the U.S. dollar that may drive it up today. We may end up recovering pretty well today. But gold this morning is $4,570. And guys, it's over 4,500. That's still fantastic. A lot of people are like, when they saw these massive numbers on gold and silver earlier in the year, they're thinking that we are really, really down in numbers. And actually, we are not. So silver this morning. Silver, I'm going to give you some claps. You have recovered a little bit. I think that floor price is right around $72 an ounce, 70 to 72, everybody. It's at 73.21. It's pretty much stabilized right around those numbers. If you're new to the channel, you'll see that I reach up here and hit the pause button. It's because I got some really crappy allergies. I have some allergies sometimes, so I have to pause it, clear my throat, blow my nose, whatever it might be. That comes with age. If you're in your 30s and 40s, you may already have it, or you may be expecting it. Trust me. So, but hey, man, everything I think is stabilized. Silver, 73.20 this morning, and I think this is just good for silver. This is just good for gold. As I move along in my journey in stacking gold and silver, my thought process has changed. My mind changes on things. And, and then my viewers, you viewers, sometimes you change me. Sometimes you change SSC. Hey, remember, we're going to the coin show tomorrow. We're going camping. And then we're going to be at the coin show at Joe's Gold and Silver Go Back booth with Mike's Gold and Silver at Norman, Oklahoma Coin Show at the Cleveland County Fairgrounds. Come see us, everybody. We'd love to meet you, or come see us and let's meet you again. So 1964 on platinum. It's down about $22, $1,964 this morning, everybody. It's still good. I'm clapping. You're like, SSC, it's down. Why are you clapping? The green lights are on, everybody. It's a buying opportunity right now. Stabilization. People are getting more confident about silver, about gold. Their confidence is starting to come back, saying, hey, it's holding these numbers. I'm going to go ahead and buy some. This is a long-term game, everybody. Remember that. It's a long-term game. You can play the numbers if it skyrockets and sell. If you bought in early and make a lot of money, or if you get in a panic situation and have to sell and you bought high, sometimes you can lose. That's part of the game. But the long game is what you want to shoot for, everybody. And that's what we're shooting for. Plus, I love silver. I just love it. I love silver. I love coffee. I love you, my viewers. And thank you for watching these videos all the way through. It is helping us. Watching them through and watching maybe the next video shows YouTube that my channel brought you to them. Their strategies have changed. They're knocking little channels off, every day. They're killing them. So, guys, I feel for you. And I feel for even the bigger channels where they've lost a lot of money on this newest algorithm thing. But things will recover, everybody. Think positive. Green lights are on. And palladium is at $1,500. So it's down $17. And rhodium, it's the same. It's the same, everybody. Okay, let's move over here. And I did refresh the laptop this morning. I always forget to do it when I look at Hong Kong and Mumbai. So London's back up this morning. Hong Kong, $4,629 this morning. 74.45 on silver. Okay, there's another indication that I think silver may climb back up this today. There's a good possibility that it will climb back up today. I think it will. I could be wrong, everybody. It is 5:30 in the morning. Yeah, I'm getting started late. I got to get things packed up, get ready to head to the lake. Yeah. Mumbai, $4,609 this morning and $73.86 on silver. Looking pretty good on Mumbai, looking really good on Hong Kong. $4,569 in London on gold, everybody, and $73.21 on silver. What is going to happen today with silver? I think it's going to go up. If it doesn't go up and it goes down, everybody, it's a weekend buy frenzy. Buying frenzy, everybody, buying. As Lee would say, I'm going to go out and buy another tube. I love your maples. I love the Canadian maple leaves, the silver Canadian maple leaves. I love our silver eagles too, but I love the maple leaves, man. That's one of my favorites, Lee, and all my Canadian friends. By the way, thank you for all my friends over in Europe for watching the videos. And guess what, California? You're back in the lead. You're my top viewers now. Then it's Texas. Then it is Florida, and then New York. So California, you're back in the lead. Thank you once again. And thank you for all my friends in Texas. Everything's bigger in Texas, right? Ooh, little hyper this morning, a little ADHD. New to the channel. Hey, thank you. You have no idea how much I appreciate you. These other channels, they don't know you. They don't appreciate you. The smaller channels, thank you so very much for watching us and supporting us. It means a lot to me, for sure. and it means a lot to Mrs. SSC. Let's look at the gold to silver ratio this morning, everybody. Silver is starting to win out once again, 62.48, but it's been holding around 62 to 1 all week long. Things are stable. It's a buying opportunity. Got a big coin show at Norman, Oklahoma. Need to come out and see it. Raven Hawk Coins is putting this coin show on. Raven's a great guy. He's just a calm, cool dude and a lot of fun. And so we'll be seeing him hopefully this Saturday. And make sure you go watch our video we put out on Tuesday with Ray at Precious Coins and Metals in Midwest City. Give him a call. You need some gold backs. You need some gold, some silver. Give him a call, everybody. He's got a fantastic inventory, beautiful inventory of stuff out there. Copper, silver, gold backs. He doesn't pay me to advertise for him, guys. I like helping people, and we have a good time at that. So let's move over to our base metals. Our base metals right now. Copper's down. Copper was right at about $6 at the beginning of the week, I think it was. And we're down to $5.88. Happy coffee, though, for copper. Copper's doing fantastic. I love my copper. I love my minted copper. Not scrap copper. Not tubes. Minted copper. If you love to melt copper down, make it beautiful, take all the impurities out of it, pour beautiful bars, here's to you. I mean, one of my guys that watches us that I buy from, he makes some beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bars. Swamp East Bullion, everybody. Greg makes some beautiful bars. He sent me a bar, and they are flipping beautiful. So I love that. It takes a lot of time and effort and work to do that. So nickel, everybody, I think is another good one. I'm going to start getting some more nickel bars, although the premiums like copper are high. I don't care. That's not what it's about. It's about what I like. And it's about what you like, guys. So make sure you dollar cost average your purchases all the time. Because in the end, in the long game end, it does this. It does this, but then it does this, and then your investment starts to creep up. So long-term game on everything. Aluminum is at $1.61, guys. Gold backs are down along with the gold price yesterday. But we're at 922 exchange rate. My gold backs for the year are way, way up. So I really, really enjoy the gold backs. They're 24 karat gold, everybody, and they follow the gold market. Let's go over here to India and Shanghai this morning. Shanghai, everybody. Hang on just a second. Had to do a foghorn blow there. Happy coffee. But Shanghai right now, 81.88 on their market right now on silver. And guys, let me tell you something. The Chinese are buying a lot of silver right now. If you go back and you look at silver with the Chinese, they are buying a lot. Don't let anybody fool you. They're buying it. They're using it, they're hoarding it, and it's going to continue to drive prices up. And as my viewer said, SSC, make sure you mention that silver is going to 100 sometime in July, because it always drives the price down a little bit and I can buy more. So it's going to hit 100 in July. I truly believe that, guys. Once things settle down, I think it's going to happen. And India right now, they're at 78.63. So I think there's good possibility it's going to go up this morning. Our oil prices, guys, are at, what are they? $105 roughly this morning. And the dollar is down this morning. Will it come back up? It is down a little bit. It's down to 98.01. That could drive our silver prices back up. We're actually at 73.15 on silver right now. Let's look at this. Let's look at this chart in the last year. So we pull up this chart and look at this. Back on May 1st, roughly, of last year, we were roughly at $30 an ounce, guys. And look what happens around July. Right around July, we started, I mean, it's pretty slow, but right around July, we've gone up a roughly $5 to $7 an ounce, June, July, and then it stables out a little bit. And then here comes the bull run right now. And right around October, when we hit October, we're at about $53 an ounce. We drop a little bit, but look at this massive bull run that we had, and it skyrockets right all the way into January of this year. And then, of course, we had our big crash back in here. But look about right here. If you drew a line all the way across here, we're averaging about $70 to $73 an ounce. So we start all the way down here, and we go just like this on our chart, on our silver chart, everybody. So this is a massive gain for 1 year. So we've gained roughly $40 an ounce in our silver prices. So this morning, I mean, we were earlier in the morning, we were at about 74 something. Now we're down a little bit this morning, but that is a massive gain in our price. But if you just look at this chart and watch this thing, this massive bull run up in here. But I still think we're hanging right about right here. If you draw that line right there, around 73 floor, 72 floor, just like this. And I think we're going to start that bull run again right around in here in July. I think it's going to be a little bit of a slower bull run. But I mean, right here about August 15th, we were at 38, up $8. And then it just started really going right around October. And here she went. So I'm thinking we're going to hit that 100 by July. So happy coffee to that. And I just think by looking at that chart, everybody, I think that we're getting ready to break out. If things settle down again in the Middle East, I think we're going to break out and go over that $100 mark again. Happy coffee. But this is a buying opportunity for me. It's a buying opportunity for you, everybody. And I mean, actually excited about it. We're pretty stable. Things are happening. The oil, is the oil going to come down today? If oil comes down, silver goes up. If you'll watch that oil price, watch those oil prices right now, everybody. If you'll look at those in the US dollar index, really good indication. You watch what silver does. Go in there and watch it. It's pretty fun to watch. It's fascinating to see what it drives our economies all over the world, everyone. So, as none of us like wars. None of us like any of that stuff. It's a big man's game, and we don't like it. And it causes problems in the markets all over the world. But sometimes things have to happen the way they happen. So we're not in control. So let's go check out some world coins, guys. But before we do that, let's look at our silver and gold prices right now at 5:43 in the morning. Let's talk about and comment what you guys think it's going to do today. So 4,568 right now, 5:44, 5:45 in the morning. We'll call it 5:45 in the morning. And shout out to Charles and Martha down in Texas. 73.16 on silver, everybody. Shout out to my members. Want to tell you guys, thank you so very much. You don't have to pay to watch a YouTube channel, but I appreciate your memberships, guys. It helps us as small creators. We're not the big boys. So all we ask is that you watch our videos through, give us good watch time, and like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. I'm still about 65% of my viewers don't subscribe. But that really doesn't matter much anymore. It's all about view time, average view time, all the big boys. We're just a little guy. So let's go check out some world coins. This is going to be a little bit longer video, and I'll show you a couple of my coins that I really love. All right, so we got some world coins we just pulled out, and then I'm going to show you one of my favorites that I've got. We'll throw out, that's some favorites right there. We got a little bit of fractional silver, and we got some quarters, and we got some dimes and all that good stuff, everybody. That's another great way to stack silver on a budget is quarters and dimes. You don't have to buy a whole lot, but as you collect them, they add up, guys. So that's another good way is fractional silver that you can buy. And I've got a lot more than this, but I keep them in baggies like this. Some of my favorite stuff. And then, of course, we've got a little bit of dimes and quarters and stuff in that one. But let's check out a Russian Empire coin. We're looking at a 1900 Russian coin, guys. 1 kopeck. I think I've shown these before, but nevertheless, a beautiful, beautiful little coin. So an amazing coin. And like I've said before, everyone, this stuff will be given to the grandkids for fun and maybe given to some kids at coin shows. Some of this stuff might have a little value. You don't know. To go through all of it is a big, big task. So at some point we'll do that. Here's an Iceland, 42. I've shown an Iceland before, and we got another one, and they're pretty cool. And by the way, that coin that I wasn't sure about the other day on Wednesday that I thought was a Persian coin, it was actually somewhere up around Afghanistan, somewhere in that area. Afghan coin, I believe. So, but heck, yeah, look at that. Isn't that cool? What a cool coin. And our last one, and then I'm going to show you one of my favorite coins in our collection. This is an Ecuador 37 5 centavos. I've shown one of these before. I have duplicates of this stuff, but it's still very, very cool to show everybody. Love this stuff. I love the history of this stuff. As you get into stacking silver and you're stacking heavy, it just becomes the same, everybody. And what makes stacking fun is stuff like this, is just coins, even if they have value or no value, just to have them to show people and to have stuff like there's collector stackers like Raven talked about yesterday on his video. Great video. Go check it out. There's collectors, there's heavy stackers, there's people that collect money. I love Libertads, so I collect Libertads. I collect numismatics. You got people that do numismatics. You have people that just buy one coin of every country, which we've been doing, and people that collect things like this. This is beautiful. So let's look at this coin. This is an amazing coin, everybody. We have quite a few of these. These are coins of Israel, ancient cities of the Holy Land, and Mrs. SSC loves these things. This one is really cool. If you look at the details on these things, they are amazing. So let me open this up and show you this bad boy, and we'll take it out. This is a beautiful, beautiful coin, everybody. The details on this coin are amazing, and we love these things. We're big on the Holy Land, and that's where Christ was, basically persecuted. So, but Israel is a big, big, big Holy Land, and we love you, Israel. And look at that. That is amazing. So these are one of the things that Mrs. SSC does collect is coins of Israel. So we love coins of Israel, and that is definitely in our stack. And we have many, many of these. And I'm thinking she's trying to collect every one of them from Israel. So everybody have a fantastic Friday. Hopefully I get to see you at the coin show on Saturday. Everybody, I'm sorry we're posting this a little late. May God bless you, my viewers, and let you concentrate on the 80% that you have and not the 20% that we seek. Amen. Holy Father, thank you, Christ. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America. I'm out.